everyone, welcome to Framework Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and today in the series of PHP and MySql, I am going to start with an example of functions. I have already discussed the concept of function in the previous video. I hope you have watched that video. Here we are going to start with an example of function and I am just naming the file as file19.php. So here we are going to create some functions and we have to create it in the PHP code. So I am just creating PHP file and here I'm just echoing one thing. As we are studying user defined functions, then we will write so we are going to see the user defined function example. Now as we know, we have to create a function. It is a predefined keyword. Now I want to make a function for addition, so I just gave it the name addition. Now how will it happen? We'll just have to make some variables with some values. So whatever thing we were doing previously, we can also perform those things with the help of functions. I hope that's clear to you and you are getting the concepts very well. If you are having any confusions, you can just drop the confusion into the comment box for me to work on it. I always say this to you. And if everything is clear, please comment your experience with my videos. This is the definition of the function. So yes, this is the definition, and now we are going to call it. So we just have to call the function to perform it. To execute it, we have to call the function. So it's the calling of the function. Let's save it and execute it. We will just get the solution on the screen, but we have done this through functions. This is the file, new file, file19, and now you can see the addition equals to 23. We made it. Yes, we did it with the help of functions. I hope you are enjoying the series. You are learning new things. If you are having any queries, please drop your queries into the comment box for me to work on it. Always try the code on your computer system by your own. Try to make changes to the code and execute them. If you haven't checked the playlist section on this channel, then please check the playlist section because new courses are waiting for you. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, I recommend you to please subscribe Famewide Educational Hub. Yes, by pressing the red button below the video. Yes, and don't forget to press the notification bell because after pressing the notification bell, you will start getting the notifications. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you in the next video. Next video will contain the example, one more example using functions.